Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. It seems that all will be going well for the Ndibos come 2023 as they are proposing for the position of presidency. Right now, according to the news, the Northern Elders has given their support to Igbo presidency in 2023, and they have also made their demands clear to the APC, that's All Progressive Congress, and the People Democratic Party. And their demands are so clear and is still in favor of the Ndibos. We are going to look at these in a jiffy before we go into further analysis. According to the news, the Northern Elders have expressed support for Igbo presidency in 2023 and tasked the All Progressive Congress and the People Democratic Party to zone its presidential ticket to the southeast. The elders say their demand follows the need for all regions of the country to be treated equally in the political affairs of the nation. In a statement by its national coordinator, Engineer Zana Guni, and the national women leader, Hajia Maro Bichi, the coalition of Northern Elders for Peace and Development affirmed that Igbos have been marginalized in the political scheme of things in the country. It, however, appealed to the PDP and APC to feature candidates of Southeast extraction in 2023 to maintain the culture of rotational presidency between the North and South, which it claimed has dosed political tension in Nigeria in the past. The group promised to support Igbos stand tax order zone in the country to do same following their long quest to produce a president. According to him, he said Buhari is from the north. The right thing is that after his 8-year tenure, the next president should come from southern Nigeria. And since Southwest and South have occupied the office in the current dispensation, the Southeast is next in line in the spirit of the rotational principle, fairness, equity, and justice. The elders said the move will foster national unity and bring an end to the bitterness of the Nigeria Biafra civil war, which has lingered for 50 years since the end of hostility. The Northern elders lauded Southeast leaders for not taking secession as an option despite the activities of Namdi Kanu, the self-acclaimed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, which it accused of attempting to destabilize Nigerian unity by hiding under the delayed Igbo presidency. According to the Northern elders, they said if all the major geopolitical zones in the country and especially the major ethnic groups in the country have all been president, then in all fairness, justice, and equity, we should be looking at the Southeast to produce the president. There is no denying the fact that the Igbos have contributed greatly to the development of this country. It is time for us all to reciprocate their good gestures through mass support for the next president to emerge from the Southeast. This is the time for it. The statement further stated. We are asking for a Nigerian president of Southeast extraction. We are not asking Nigeria for Igbo president because that will amount to asking Nigeria to possibly alter geopolitical zone based rotation arrangement for presidency in Nigeria. The elders further tasked Ohanes and Igbo to reach out to great Igbo politicians and leaders of other geopolitical zones and interest groups for support for a Southeast president, noting that the creation of 6 geopolitical zones was to help streamline the way the country was structured. The Northern Elder desired to stand on this zoning arrangement to make a point on 2023 presidency that is of grave importance to the Southeast geopolitical zone in particular and Nigeria in general. The elders said, and this is really interesting. Getting the support of the elders is very good, but at the same time, it's important for the Ohanes and Igbos, especially those who are living in the northern part, the southern part, the eastern part, in the 6 geopolitical zone, apart from the southeast, to start working they need to jump into action if they want to realize this dream, because this dream has been long delayed. I feel that that's the reason why a lot of things are happening. One of the key reasons Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came up with the case of cessation from the country was because of the marginalization of Ndibos. And he's not just the first person that started it. We know about Ojukwu started it. But when Ojukwu started it, Nigerians came to a uniformity that the Igbos are still important and they should still be a part of Nigeria. But unfortunately, where it did not drive well was when they keep delaying bringing them, integrating them into leadership, especially at the topmost level. That was where this whole thing started. People started getting angry. Why is it happening this way? But however, that should be put aside. Let's look at the future. And what does the future hold? The Ndigos, they need to start working immediately, jump into action. We're about hitting 2021 by the grace of God. It's not for you to delay and keep waiting. They should start meeting even the state governor. Don't forget that this whole issue that we are talking about is from the northern elders. And just fairly recently, we heard that the APC governors had to meet with the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, and they were asking him to come and, come and seek for presidency on the platform of APC, which means that to some extent these guys are still not ready, for an Igbo president. Because I believe that if all the governors have also joined their voices together and they say, well, we need an Igbo president, it will be well. So at this point, they need to start working. Courtesy visit to all the governors. We have gotten support from you not, but the state governors, we need to meet with you people so that we can have the opportunity of talking to you people and then see how you can arrange something. The North, they have a majority of Nigerians are Northerners based on, geopolitical zone and based on population. So if you give them deputy governor, sorry, the vice president, it will be good enough. Give them vice president and ask for their support and see how you can also talk to the leadership of PDP and APC to allow Ndibo to be their to be their flag flying. That's to be their candidate come 2023. To be their presidential candidate come 2023. Meet with the topmost guys. This is the time. The likes of Abaribe, the likes of some key person, Rochas Okorocha in APC, all of them should join voice and meet with the national chairman, though there's no national chairman now, but when it is constituted, meet with the national chairman, with the other distinct committees, national working committee, put your case ahead, let them know. From now, start driving the whole thing from now. And from there, you people come together and make a decision for yourself who and who will go in, not to begin to fight each other, because the truth of the matter is, by the time they realize that there is no unity even in Southeast, they are trying to betray themselves automatically. That intention will be frustrated by the by the northerners, but by the time they see there is a genuine push from the southeast, and they have a candidate, presidential candidate, that they have to present to Nigerians, that is when people will give you the adequate support. And also, at this point, we need to calm down on other things that they are pushing. Because with what I'm seeing, if the northern elders have decided to say, please, these guys, they are worth it, give it to them. Why not? But at the same time, also, as the person is going into this position, sorry, I have to say this one, he has to understand that right now, this country is sitting on a cake of gunpowder. How you would deliver this country must be a major point of sales for yourself. This is how you're going to sell yourself to the northerners, that right now this is the situation of the country, this is my intention, what I intend to do, and what I intend to do that will salvage this country from the economic recession that it has found itself. Fairly recently, we've gotten a report, that was even yesterday, that Nigeria has to dive into recession again. So these are some of the strong points you need to bring up. I will do all within my power with what I have on ground to see how I can salvage this country from the diminishing position that it has found itself. I feel that with all of that being put in place, the other people, the people you will consult, And the people you will meet early will grant the Igbos an opportunity to lead this country. But that's just my opinion. What's your opinion? Just go to our comment section. Let's interact. Please, no hate word. But what do you think will be the position of the Igbos now that they have given them that the other elders have given them their